to make natural shampoo for hair growth at home. Recipe number 1. DIY egg and lemon juice shampoo. Mix 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 3 drops of olive oil in the mixture. Massage this paste through your hair from root to tip, then rinse with lukewarm water. Tip: if you cannot tolerate the smell of egg on your hair, give the last rinse with rose water. Recipe number 2. DIY green tea shampoo. Steep green tea bags in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes, and then let it cool down. Mix in some Aretha powder and apply this mixture to wash your hair. Recipe number 3. DIY gram flour shampoo. In a bowl, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of lean curd and juice of 1 lemon. Mix a little water and wash your hair with this mixture. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.